down because water takes up space in there, and that's at a premium right now. Okay, so just get ready. Don't start eating or drinking or anything yet. This sex machine down here is pretty confident. He already took a swig of beer. Now
he's so excited.
Okay, whenever we're ready. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, manger. More sour cream over here. When you're finished, you'll have to leave. Okay. You know what? He's got that air of confidence. Where's his cheering section? He's got to pace himself. He's definitely got a pace, and it's just like keep going like a D8 cat. A little bit of water to wash that one down. They start to get stuck after a while, don't they? Here, bam. Hey, this could be real fun in the front row. We really got a mouthful in. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it takes all kinds to make a country fest. Where were we? Okay, we got, look at